Good afternoon. My name is Commander Luthra. I'm the Assistant Vice President at Electropneumatics and Hydraulics Private Limited, or EPHL. This is the 50th year of EPHL's existence, and we are celebrating our Golden Jubilee this year. EPHL has been doing Atmanirbhar Bharat for the last 50 years, what we have started now. We always believed in technology, we've always believed in innovation, and we have always tried to make import substitutes. That's what EPHL's philosophy has been. What we have displayed in this Defence Expo are products which are completely made in India for the Indian Armed Forces and for the world. We have had a great traction from the visitors from the African countries also, where our naval simulators, our gun upgrades, our missile launchers have been highly appreciated because the best part about our launchers and our equipment which we have displayed is it's a completely indigenous technology where we are not dependent on any other country for the supplies of these items. Our naval simulators are going global. We have been supplying in various countries. We have been supplying it to the Indian Navy also. And I think the policies of the Indian government with regards to the Atmanirbhar Bharat, especially for the defense industry, is great. This is really helping the industry, the defense industry in India to mature and find its feet. I'm sure with these kind of positive policies, it's not going to be long where all the defense requirements of the country would be taken care by the indigenous defense industry of India.